Hi everyone, this is easymoneys.com. That's EASY-MONEYS.com. And today's YouTube video is how to make money online in 2018. Join free Wealthy Affiliate and Moneyline and Power Lead System. So I'm just going to show you today. I have a particular check from Moneyline, and I'm just going to try and show it to you here. There we go, Moneyline. And there's the amount. And those were just commission checks for the joiners who came upline to me. So I didn't have to do anything at all for those. And those don't even include the usual commission earnings and those types of things, which I won't go into right now, but that was just a check I received in the mail. And let's just go ahead and show you the earnings that you can make at Wealthy Affiliate. Earn revenue by referring people to Wealthy Affiliate. You can, if you are a premium member, you earn $23.50 monthly recurring with every person. You can get $175 yearly recurring with premium members who go yearly. The conversion rate of all your advertising is 1 in 8, so over 12% of people go premium. So you have to get enough, at least 8 people joining before you'll even get one, and it takes a while. And you earn $100 per premium sign up, usually 100 plus. Commissions, if you are free, commissions are $8 for the first month, $19 for the special offer, then $23.50 thereafter. Starter members only earn $4 for the special offer referrals, then $11.75 monthly and $87.50 yearly. So you can be a free member or starter member and still earn commissions with Wealthy Affiliate, which is, in our view, the best affiliate training in the world, bar none. So that's our second place that you can join free. The third place here is there's Free Lead System, Lead Lightning, and Power Lead System. I belong to the Power Lead System for a number of reasons, and I currently have a balance just of $9.50. So I just want to show you how to just go get that. You go to your Paylution, sign up, and it's just going to take a second here. There we go. And I'm just going to turn this here for a second. And I just try and keep things really simple, usually with the same startup number, etc., etc. Here, let me show you a piece of artwork instead while I'm doing this. That's kind of those are my guardian angels, hey? Okay, so let's take a look at the Power Lead System Paylution payments, and you can see $9.50 US dollars. I also have a Visa prepaid card that if I'm traveling to the States I can load. What I'm just going to show you is how to put it to your bank account if you wish. In my case, it comes to $10.65 Canadian, so I'm just going to click on that, and I'm going to press continue, and wham bam, there's a $1 fee, and confirm, and it just goes direct to my bank account. So it'll take 1 to 3 business days. It's usually very, very quick. So that's it. That's all I really wanted to show you today. Please go back to the Getting Started button. There is a brand new product, Master Traffic Institute. If you look through and do all of your levels with gold membership, which is the Power Lead System and affiliate, it's $54. The gold is $30, but the affiliate portion is $24. So you're paying $54 a month, and you're getting $20 commissions for that. Free Ad Secrets Diamond, you get $100 commissions. Platinum, you get $400 commissions. And with the Master Traffic Institute, you get $1,000 commissions. So it's a really fantastic thing if someone goes all in, which I usually do. There are some people who go all in, which means you would get a $20 commission plus the $6 lead lightning commission plus $500 from the diamond and platinum plus now $1,000. So it would be $1,526 you'd get if someone in one day goes all in with you. And usually that happens with your members who know you and like you and trust you and know that you have their best interests at heart. So I just wanted to pass along how to make money online in 2018. It's working for me. Join free Wealthy Affiliate and Moneyline and PLS, and you will see in below in you can like, subscribe, and hit the notifications bell if you want to see further videos from me. I do them on a daily basis, only to promote things to you that I use myself, that I make money from, and every little bit counts. I'm just going to show you as proof of just the lead lightning commissions from when I started. It's a very long list. So let's do that list. I'm just gonna, I don't want you to be able to see the names necessarily, but oh, I guess I got to the bottom, so I'll go back to the top. So those are a lot of $7 buyers, and then I'll just show you, let's see, show you my commissions for weekly commissions. And that was since my first commission and my lead lightning that I got within my first 15 minutes of joining, December 18th to December 24th. And I believe it was Christmas Eve was the day that I joined in 2016. My best day was a $526 day. Let's see if I can find it here. It's in the summer. Oh, there was a $91 day. So, yeah. So in any case, oh yeah, here was $552 in one day that I got. So that was remarkable. In any case, this has been easymoneys.com. That's EASY-MONEYS.com. And please, as I mentioned before, like, comment, share, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notifications bell. I truly appreciate you watching my video. Have a great online earnings day, and we'll talk again tomorrow. Bye, guys.